This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Adobe Premiere. So I'm right here on the main download free trial page for Adobe Premiere. Now the URL is this rather long URL here. All of the URLs that I include in this video will be in the video description as links. So you can just click on those links and wind up here. You won't need to go search or anything like that, because some of these links are quite sort of buried deep within the Adobe website. So free trial wise, they've currently got a 7-day free trial and a 14-day money back guarantee. After that, you can see some of the blurb and information right here. You will literally just click on start free trial at the top, this button right here. And at this point, you will need to commit to a monthly or annual plan. But you do get the 7-day free trial. As I mentioned, you can choose Adobe Premiere or the whole Creative Cloud suite right here, which is currently 50% off. Now, the issue with this is obviously you are going to have to enter some payment details right here. You might not want to do that right now. You might want to just get the app straight away. Now, this page is another option. So this page I'm showing on the screen, again, this isn't contravening anything. This is an official Adobe page. It's actually one of the help articles right here, the main Adobe Premiere desktop help page. So what you do is you click on this link right here, which I have it again in the video description just below this video. You'll wind up here, and now all you need to do is you need to click on this button here for open the app about halfway down, and almost mysteriously it kind of just starts to download. So the installer has been downloaded. You can see the icon went flying up there. I'm on a Mac. That's the universal symbol that something has been downloaded on the Mac. If it doesn't automatically download, you will click restart download here. You will then find the installer in your download location. That will be dependent on your browser. Like I say, I'm on a Mac. I have Google Chrome, and everything goes, all the downloaded files and folders go to the main downloads folder location. Your downloads location might be different to mine depending on your browser setup and configuration. Now, just a little note here, this doesn't entitle, like I said, it doesn't contravene anything. You're not getting anything for free. You're still going to have an active version of Adobe Premiere or Creative Cloud at some point. But yeah, I mean, this is quite a useful way of just getting straight into it rather than having to enter your credit and debit card super early and going for the free trial. So hopefully you found this video on how to find and download Adobe Premiere. I've gone through a few different methods in this video, covered all bases, I hope. If you found this video useful, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.